value involve different concepts. Okay, question 7 says, John bought an equal number of pens and rulers. Each ruler cost $4. Each pen costs half of each ruler. So that means the cost of the pen is half of what the ruler costs. Okay. John paid $18 more for all the rulers than the pens. How many rulers did John buy? So equal number. So when you look at this, right, equal number of pens and rulers means we can actually put one of each into a group. So in one group will consist of one pen and one ruler. Okay, equal number ma, one pen, one ruler go together. Okay, so we're going to write down what we have in the question. You know that each ruler costs $4. So we will write ruler arrow $4. But we do not know the cost of the pen. We know that each pen costs half of each ruler, which means that the pen will be half of $4. So half means you need to divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2, a pen costs $2. Okay, this will be in one group. Okay, but then it says that if you look at this, right, you can see that there's a difference in the price of a pen and a ruler. Okay, so it says John paid $18 more for all the rulers than the pens. So you already know that a ruler already costs amount more than a pen. So we need to find out how much more does a ruler cost than a pen. So we take 4 minus 2. One group's difference is $2. Okay, and $18 refer to the total difference of what Peter bought. Okay, so you know that the total difference is $18. So since one group is a difference of $2, right? How many groups will give you a difference of $18? So we are going to divide. When we find number of groups, always remember to divide. Okay, some of you still will times, multiply. It's not, it's divide. So you take 18 divide by 2 because the total difference is 18. So you divide by one group's difference, $2.
9 rulers.
Yeah, wait. Number of groups is 9. Braden, 9 groups. You still have one more step to write. Okay, do not just look at this and write 9. Then you just say happily, oh teacher, answer is 9. No, it asking for how many rulers did John buy. If you look at one group consists of one ruler. Number of rulers in one group, you have 1. Okay, but we know that we have 9 groups of this. So how many rulers will there be in 9 groups? We must write 9 times 1 equals to 9 rulers. You
It's
cannot
still
write 9 groups. Sorry, come again?
It's still 9.
It's still 9. Good question. But then the 9 that you have here without this group thing, right? It's referring to 9 groups. Yes. Okay. So that is why you need to write this 9 times 1. How you get 9? 9 times 1. One group got 1 ruler. Okay, this one must write down, okay? Understand, children? Cannot just say, oh, teacher, 9. Then 9 times 1 is still 9, so I just leave it. No, cannot. Huh? Cannot lazy, yeah? Okay? Okay, those who didn't write this, right? Can you please write this step down? Although your answer is 9, but this step is must write down one. Okay? Okay, so no crosses so far. I'm going to go to the next question. Okay. Nikki, wait. Okay. Yenny bought an equal number of forks and spoons. A fork costs $8. A spoon costs 1/4 as much as a fork. Okay. Yenny paid $36 more for the forks than the spoons. How many spoons did she buy? Same thing, equal number, right? One group will have 1 fork and 1 spoon. You know the cost of a fork, which is $8. So you put arrow $8. Okay. But what about the spoon? Spoon is 1/4 of what the fork costs. So you need to find the cost of the spoon by taking 8 divided by 4. 1 spoon costs $2. Okay. But it says here, Yenny paid $36 more for all the forks than the spoon. in one group, you already can see that a fork costs more than the spoon. So how much more? You find out first. So one fork, $8, right? One spoon, $2. 8 minus 2. One group's difference is $6. So you know that Yenny paid $36 more. So the total difference given is $36. Okay, so I need to find out how many spoons did she buy. So if one group's difference is $6, right? Total difference is $36. How many groups will that give me? So finding number of groups means you need to divide. Okay, so you take 36 divided by 6. 6 groups. Braden, I hope you wrote down 6 times 1. If not, you have to write it down. Okay, so 6 groups of this. There will be 6 groups of this. So I want to find the number of spoons. One group, how many spoons do you have? Look at the spoon. One group, you have 1 spoon. So you write 1. Okay, you already found that you have 6 groups. So how many spoons will that give you in 6 groups? You take 6 times 1. Answer is 6 spoons. Okay, those who didn't write this must write. I already say this is 6 groups. Doesn't mean 6 spoons. Okay, 6 groups. So you need to find out the number of spoons by taking 6 times 1. Okay? Okay, good. So no issue so far. I'm going to continue.